Hello guys, welcome back, and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our obstetrics examination revision series with our next topic, which is umbilical cord. This topic is quite small as compared to the previous ones, and we'll be covering all the important points which we need to remember for our answers of umbilical cord of 5 marker, and we'll try to cover as much as we can, all the important points. So let us begin. Umbilical cord. It forms the connecting link between the fetus and the placenta. Development from the connective stalk. Structure covering epithelium, Wharton's jelly, blood vessel, vitelline duct, allantois, and obliterated extraembryonic chelone. Covering epithelium is a single layer of amniotic epithelium. Wharton's jelly consists elongated cells in a gelatinous fluid. Blood vessels. There are two arteries and two veins. Vitelline duct is small yellow body, remnant of the yolk sac, and allantois is blind tubular structure. Characteristics: it is 40 cm in length and 1.5 cm in the diameter, and attachment is generally through to the ventral surface of the embryo. So this was a short video on the umbilical cord, wherein the important keywords which we need to remember and recap are: it forms a connecting link, development is from the connective stalk, the structures contain these important ones, wherein we need to remember the covering epithelium, Wharton's jelly, blood vessel, vitelline duct, allantois, and obliterated extra embryonic chelone. Then these are some points which we need to remember again. And lastly, not to forget, it is 40 cm in length and 1.5 cm in the diameter, and it's attached to the ventral surface of the embryo. So this was our umbilical cord in a nutshell. And please do like, share, and subscribe our videos, and share it with your friends. It will motivate us to make more and more such series and videos for you all. So we'll see you in the next video of the series of OBS exam revision. Thank you.